What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be back on the lifted 2005 Silverado. So when we buy these trucks, we buy them from the auction. We get 6 pictures, the VIN number, and pretty much the auction list. If it runs and drives, they'll put run and drive on it, but really they start it up for they start it up real quick and then pull it down into gear. If it starts, then it runs. So if they pull it down into gear and it moves like literally 3 inches, then they mark it as run and drive. That does not mean, you know, you can jump in it and drive down the road. Well, we ended up jumping in this thing, driving it a little bit, and we noticed a little pressurizing in the coolant system. As you can see right here, the hose is pretty hard. So that means this thing's gonna need some head gaskets. It's a pretty common issue with these, especially the LLY. This truck's got right at, I think it's got like 160,000 miles. So it's probably got the original gaskets in it, but we're gonna go ahead and put some head gaskets in it. We also have a set of ARP head studs we're gonna put in it. Everybody always asks, you know, did you use stock bolts or did you use head studs when you did the gaskets? And everybody wants the head studs. It makes for a easier sell. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Check out these head gaskets. That one's blown out right there. This one's real bad. Alright guys, we are on our way to the fabric store. The headliner material that we have in stock at the car lot, the width is not wide enough. You can see in the truck we're driving, you got the contours and everything. Well, it stops about right there, and it's not wide enough, so we've had to piece them together before, and it just looks like crap. So We do have headliner material that's wide enough, but it's tan and not gray, and that'll look goofy in that truck. So we're on our way to the fabric store to see what we can find. They don't have gray headliner material that's wide enough, but they've got to have something else that we can put in there that'll look good. What kind of material you think we should get?
Maybe do like a plaid, or you know, I think that camo is really cool.
Ooh, camo. That'd be nice.
See it.
American flag. Now that would be awesome. We might do that. We'll see what they got. They're making us wear these.
I don't like it.
It's the first time I've worn one, and this whole deal is ridiculous. I don't know how people breathe.
Ooh, we could do a dog. Oh, that's not wide enough.
Dang. Ryan found what he wants.
Not what I want.
Your mask would look good in that.
Yeah, thank you.
What'd you find?
On this velvet looking stuff.
Kind of like suede.
Kinda.
You write your name in there.
Yeah.
I can't.
I don't know. Kinda got slim pickings on stuff.
It's all the same stuff.
Yeah.
What the purple suede?
Do something like that.
Well, that's nice. All right, let's get this and get out of here. I can't breathe. All right, guys, we're finally out of there after, I don't know, half hour.
Waiting in line.
I'm breathing heavy because I could barely breathe the whole time in there. We'll be all right. I feel like I ran a mile. My face is sweating. We're gonna head back and get this headliner going. All right, guys, got the headliner out of it. As you saw, it wasn't the easiest job, but to take it out, gotta pull the passenger seat out at least, and then comes out the passenger door. That way you don't have to pull any of the glass out. And then it's easiest just to pull the wires off the headliner and leave everything plugged in, then have to unplug everything through the dash. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the top layer off of this, and then once we get this completely off, we have to get the wire wheel and rub all this off until you get to the bare fiberglass right there. So we're gonna start doing that, and then we'll pick up before we put the other headliner on. Alright guys, we're getting close to wrapping this headliner up. It actually don't look too bad. There's a few spots like right in here that'll come out when, you know, dries up. We set it in the sun, let it shrink just a little bit. Right here, you got a couple wrinkles, but this stuff is actually not headliner material. This is almost like a suede, as you can see. You can wipe it different colors and does different things, and it's not actual headliner material like we're used to using. The headliner material you can actually stretch. This stuff, you're not stretching one bit. It's pretty much got to go exactly where it's laying. So there's a few wrinkles in it. It's not a perfect job, but actually looks pretty cool. It'll look good in that truck. So we're gonna let this thing sit like this overnight after we're done gluing it. And then in the morning, we'll put it back in the truck. We'll button the truck up and then pretty much get this thing ready to go on the lot. I do have to do the seat bottom on the driver's seat, so I'll get that real quick. And then tomorrow morning, we'll throw this thing back together and pretty much be done with it. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I ended up letting the headliner sit outside for a couple hours this morning. It actually looks pretty good. It's got a few wrinkles in it. Right here, there's one. I mean, there's a few spots, but usually the headliner material that we use stretches a little bit. This stuff didn't stretch at all. But it looks pretty good. It's got the suede look to it. On your hand this way, it changes the color of it, so it actually looks pretty neat in here. And then here's the seat. That turned out nice. Over time these wrinkles will work their way out. So we're gonna clean this thing up and get it ready for the lot. All right guys, we just got the thing lot ready, so let's take a look at it. We ended up fixing the front bumper right here where it was scuffed a little bit. The interior is looking very nice. We've got the seat cover on, we've got the headliner in like we just showed you. The gauge cluster is in it, radio. I mean, this thing's buttoned up and looking good. I mean, the back's just as clean as the front. Wheels are nicely polished when we got them, so we didn't have to do any work there. Here is a little bit of damage on the rear bumper that I was saying. And then I'll show you over here the little ripple on the door. If you watched our first video, we showed it. But right there, just got the slightest bit of, you know, some dents. I'm not exactly sure what even caused it. Looked like a dent guy tried to repair it or something. But this thing's actually looking pretty good. This thing is for sale. If you're seeing this video few weeks from when we posted, it's probably not available anymore. These things go super fast. But yeah, this thing turned out super nice. We will do a few more of these, so let us know what you think. If you like seeing our truck videos also, we do a lot of these Duramaxes here at the car lot. and we might still make videos on them if you guys like it. So let us know what you think, and that's gonna wrap it up for this one. So like it, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.